Hello everyone and welcome back to Sense Psychology. Today we are going to talk about therapy, what it is and how it works, and why talking can be one of the most powerful ways to heal your mind. Many people think therapy is only for serious problems, but the truth is therapy can help anyone who wants to understand themselves better, manage emotions, or overcome life challenges and stressors. In this episode, I will share real stories and explain how therapy helps. Let me tell you about Liam, who lives in Brisbane. Liam had been feeling anxious and stressed for months, but wasn't sure what to do. His friends suggested he try therapy, but Liam worried it meant something was wrong with him. Finally, Liam decided to give it a go. After a few sessions with a therapist, he started to understand his feelings better and found new ways to cope with stress. You might think, what is therapy? Therapy is a safe space where you can talk openly with a trained professional about your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Therapists listen without judgment and help you find new perspectives and tools to deal with your challenges. Therapy isn't about fixing you, it's about helping you grow and feel stronger. There are several types of therapy. Some common ones include cognitive behavioral therapy, is known as CBT, helps change negative thought patterns. Talk therapy, just talking through your feelings and experiences. Mindfulness therapy, learning to stay present and calm. Group therapy, sharing and learning with others who have similar experiences. Each type can be helpful in different ways depending on your needs. Liam therapist helped him notice that many of his worries were about things he couldn't control. They worked on techniques like deep breathing and challenging negative thoughts. Liam also learned to set small goals and celebrate his progress. Over time, therapy gave Liam tools to manage anxiety and feel more powerful and hopeful. Why therapy matters? Therapy can help you understand your emotions better, build healthier relationships, learn coping skills for stress and anxiety, heal from past trauma, improve your self-confidence. It's a journey and it's okay to take it at your own pace. If you are thinking about therapy but feel unsure, remember that seeking help is brave. You don't have to face your struggles alone. Therapy is there to support you and therapist is there to support you, no matter what you are going through. Thank you for watching Hussain Psychology. If this episode helped you learn more about therapy, please like and subscribe. Share your questions or experiences in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Next time we will explore self-care, simple ways to nurture your mind every day. Until then, take care of yourself and keep growing. See ya.